Welcome back to another episode of ChadrickTech. Today it's a little bit different of a video. It's been a little while since I put one out. Hey, we're outside at the homestead and it's not going to be about PCs. The electronics we're going to talk about today is something a little different. It's going to talk about solar panels. Would you like to see my solar panels? These are the new high-tech ones made strictly out of plywood. Now, what we're trying to do today is figure out if we have the rack. We built a couple pieces of the racking, and we're going to send the ground mounts all the way down the fence line. But I wanted to see, I had the plywood cut at the same size as the solar panels. It's easy to work with those, and I don't want to break one. But I wanted to see where it would cast a shadow during the peak hours of the day. Because where I'm going to have this set is hopefully right here, and I think we got it really set well. The shadow, I didn't want it to be in the neighbor's yard, but I wanted to maximize the space we have because I'm going to mount the racking here, and I'm going to put a light colored gravel underneath these solar panels because they're bifacial. So I'm really hopeful that we can maximize the sun. I know we're a little bit behind here, but we got to get moving on this project. So there'll be more to come. Stay tuned, stay safe, God bless.